Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a glow effect on text in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have already added the video to the timeline. Now let's add the text to the video.
1 hour later.
Change the fonts, color, choose whatever you like, then scroll down a bit and you will see an option called Glow. Click right here. Now you glow the text, you just need to adjust the setting and the color. But that's the first method to add glow to the text. Now I am going to show you the second method, the add glow to the text. Untick this and create a compound clip for the text. Then go to Effects and search for Glow and add this one edge glow on the compound layer. That's how you can add a glow effect on text in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to know how to zoom in on Capcut PC, then watch this video. Thanks for watching.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.